Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to log out of your Monopoly Go account. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. First of all, open up the Monopoly Go application on your device. Now, after you are in the main homepage, tap on the menu button at the top right hand corner. From the expanded menu on the right hand corner, tap on Settings at the bottom. Now, tap on Connect Account at the bottom. Choose the account you would like to log out of or disconnect from, such as the Facebook Disconnect or the Apple Disconnect option. Go ahead and tap on the Disconnect button and tap on Disconnect one more time in order to disconnect or log out of your Monopoly Go account. So that's how easy it is if you want to log out of your Monopoly Go application. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.